touch me, just follow every move. Touch me.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to another video. So, just been to see an old friend of mine in Perth. That's good. Catching up with him, having breakfast. We are now just about to go to somewhere called Bladseling, and we're going to be going on 4 bikes and then sampling them. It's just going to be absolutely mental. So yeah, just got snacks. Just been scammed the calls again on the daily. $100. Let's get fuel and then we are off.
Yeah, let's do it. That's what I've been doing. Hello. Right, so we're back at One River today. Such an amazing place because I feel like it's like a place that a lot of locals come to. It doesn't really get too busy, whereas a lot of beaches around here get packed with tourists. It's like well known online. But yeah, just here for today. I feel very settled into Oz now. It took me a good couple of weeks to really get properly settled in, but now I feel like very at home, really, very at home here in Oz. And yeah, just loving actually getting a taste of what life is like out here. Like, it's very different, but it's also very similar in a lot of ways as well. So yeah, absolutely loving it. Markets have been good as well, been performing really well. Took a beautiful trade on the pound yen last week. Took it from 185.32 to 187.14, I think it was. So yeah, beautiful position. I'll break it down when I get back because I want to show you the entry, the management of the trade as well, and everything else in between. So I'll break that down. But yeah, beautiful markets. Great January, lots of momentum. A lot of Revision members catching some beautiful trades as well, which is good to see. And overall, we're off to a great start.
Right, so I said earlier I was going to break down this pound yen long which I took last week. So let's take a look. So in order to take a look, we got to visit the high time frames. So I'm just going to quickly take you through my daily and weekly thought process. So we'll start off on the weekly. So we'll go through this. This is really important for the trade itself, right? This builds the narrative for the rest of the position. So overall, we've got to look at this as a fact of, overall, we're in a bullish order flow environment, right? We've got this previous low, high, but notice how this high failed to take out the previous low. Can you see that? So the fact that this low to the left was protected and we started to build momentum to the upside, this became a weak high. So this is a very evident target for myself. And as we build the picture onto the daily chart, we can see this is a very clear target for liquidity. So overall, as price is starting to build here into the last couple of weeks of price action, I was mainly looking for longs due to this reason. Clear liquidity target, any pullback in price is going to be of certain value, therefore we can capitalize on those long trades. So absolutely beautiful. And then if we go down to the 1 hour, let's quickly take a look. Let's fast forward this. Yeah, so it's here. So overall, we can see that once again, bullish order flow is still stepping in. Higher high, higher low that hadn't yet been confirmed because we hadn't yet made a new higher high. But overall, we can see price is starting to build to the upside. And what I loved about this position is the fact that here, if we just study this price action here, we had the previous low. The previous low was then taken out. So it was an Asia low that was swept. So we had that liquidity play, which is beautiful, and then we had the pop up. So if we go to the 15-minute time frame, we can see that now. So from an intraday standpoint, we had the correct intraday price action from a daily cycle point of view. Asia lows were swept. We had the pop to the upside, break to the downside to pull back. There was a trade here as well, which I didn't take, and then we popped up again, added confirmation to the trade, more liquidity stacked to the left, and we've also got previous high, bullish order flow, and then price pulled back into the entry point, which was beautiful. And the fact, even from a weekly cycle point of view, Monday formed this low here, so we had the pullback, and then Tuesday just started to support the price action that this could be a bullish week. So the fact that this swept the low and started to build to the upside, New York was just that continuation, and then it was clearly that pop higher, just a little bit of patience, rallied quite higher coming into the position. Overnight, it then corrected. I'm at break even at this point. I actually had, I think, a little bit of profit locked in. And then as price started to build and build and build, this is when I was just trailing my stops. So I was kind of letting this trade run due to the fact that I was already up in profit for the year so far. And the goal for this was just to kind of let it run, lock in profit along the way behind 15-minute structure, but overall not choke it to the point where, you know, you're not letting any profit start to play out and let the winners run. At the end of the day, the goal is to let the winners run, right? So I was just trailing as price was going, and then overall banked it was actually 6.9, so this is just a bit under, but 6.9. I trailed behind this little low here. Price popped up, New York then pulled back and then popped higher, but overall happy with the trade. And once again, just fueling the move and the narrative to then pop higher. You know, if I'd have held to here, it would have been just absolutely beast of a trade. But overall, at this point of the year, it was just a point of like getting the profit under my belt, building the buffer. That's the whole goal here. So that has been achieved. Beautiful trade. Well done to anyone that caught this as well. And I know some Envision members as well caught some other trades which are absolutely stunning as well. So that was a beautiful trade. But overall, hope you enjoyed that breakdown. I will see you all in the next video.
Oh.